This is Earth Radio. And now here's...
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today you join me on the new detail of my dad's new Peugeot 3008. I'm recording this part of the video after the video has been recorded. Didn't like the original intro, so I thought I'd just record another one while the video is being edited. So yeah, this is the first detail of many that's going to be on my dad's new car. It's a 2019 Peugeot 3008 GT Line Premium, so pretty high spec car. Got a lot of tech on it, which is good. I'll go into that when we do an interior detail video, but today it's just the exterior. Fingers crossed, we're going to be ceramic coating the car. I know I've not done that with my own. I came to doing it with the Peugeot 308, the GT line that I've got, just before winter started. Obviously we're now into June, so pretty long time ago. But I just didn't get around to filming it. With how quickly the winter came, I just wanted to get the coating on, and I just completely missed out on recording it. So using the summer months, we're going to get everything sorted on my dad's new car, make sure it's protected. So yeah, stay tuned for that, and I hope you enjoyed this video. It's good to be back on YouTube. I'm so sorry that it's been ages since the last video has been up, but we're back. Uni's finished, COVID-19 is on the way out, and videos will be coming back. So yeah, stay tuned, and I'll see you all again soon.
Okay, so just to give you an idea of what kind of state the car's in, as you can see underneath, as it's been washed by the dealer, they've not gotten right underneath the under tray, just around the fake exhaust, unfortunately. There's a lot of muck and dirt. The rest of the car doesn't look in bad nick, to be fair. It's been fairly well looked after. But then, just on the plastics underneath, you're going to need a bit of attention, bit of treatment. Wheels are all in good condition. We'll get some fallout remover on those and see what comes off. So fingers crossed, we'll have some nice results at the end of it. Oh. Thanks. What, even though it's metallic? Even though it's metallic? Brilliant. rinse of the snow foam, we're now moving on to the water activated sealant. So as you can see, we're using CarPro Hydrofoam. This is just a water-based silicone spray that's sprayed onto the car through the snow foam lands. You then leave it probably 5 to 10 seconds if that, and then you jet wash it off. You don't want to apply it in direct sunlight because it can start to leave marks. But for me, this is one of the best, if not the best, water activated silicone sprays. People say about Auto Finesse Aqua Coat, but I know a few people have said that they've had issues with that, similar to what I've just said about water spots and that kind of thing. But the dilution ratio with this, you can use very little product and get the amazing results that you can see. I've used it for a long time now. I really wouldn't choose anything else other than this. And just for the fact that you can spray it on and protect your car in a matter of 30 seconds, if that, it's a no-brainer. So for the car getting picked up today and getting protected as quickly as it was, it's just an awesome product. I'd definitely recommend using it if you can.
Right.
Videoing.
Hey?
Who are you taking pictures of?
Oh, it's not me. Laddo, when he gets car back on drive.
Alright. Is you having a new one?
No, I've got one.
Oh, you've got one?
Yeah.
As usual, the car's just been taken around the block. The disc brakes have now been dried off just to get rid of any of the rust or the corrosion that's been there just from doing the wash. This way it doesn't build up, it doesn't become too thick, and then we're not going to get an orange dust the next time the car's driven. So just to finish off the video, we've got some nice aftershots now. I didn't record the car being dried. Everybody knows how to dry a car, it's not an interesting part of the video. So I just thought I'd skip to showing you how the car is afterwards. Everything's been nicely dressed. Obviously the tyres have been sorted out because they were properly filthy when they were getting cleaned. They've now got a nice dressing on. Again, it's a silicone infused dressing for the tyres. The car's been coated with the Hydrofoam and it's looking a damn sight better now. So thank you so much guys for tuning in. It's great to be back. As I've said, hopefully it won't be too long until the next video is out. It should be an interior clean on this very car. But until then, look after yourselves and I'll catch you all on the next one.